Just Dance, only you. This dance is for my girlfriend, but I have no girlfriend. This is for my girlfriend in the future. Do you want to dance with me? Oh yeah, I want to dance. Only you. You're so ugly, I want to touch you. You once again want to dance with you. I'm your man in the space, and in the background we have the earth, the earth, the earth, and the best singer in the world. Touch me, oh yeah, touch my body, touch my body. And this is so freaky. Oh, I hate this. Okay, thank you so much. Only you and me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy Only You in Just Dance 2015. And yeah, on the right side you find Icona Pop, I Love It. And on the left side you find Summer. Yeah. So don't forget to subscribe. We'll see us in the next video. Bye guys, and thanks vlog.